Hello everyone. Here is a video that I have made to configure your proxy using Mozilla. First, you need to find an IP and a port. You can Google this by typing a free proxy. Now, currently my IP is 78.131.234.41. I use check my IP to see this. Now I will show you how to change my IP by configuring the Mozilla Network setting. So first you have to look at what the IP that you will be using from the list that you have Google. So let's say I will be using this IP. So you just have to copy it, 3128. So on the tools menu, you select options, then select the advanced, go to network tab, then click the settings for the connection, and then click on the manual proxy configuration and change your HTTP proxy. You just paste it there, and the port would be 3128. And so we will apply this one. Okay, now see if that has changed our IP. What we just do is to refresh this page and see if it worked. Okay, from my previous IP, now my current IP is already changed. So this is how easy it would be for you to configure your proxy settings. Of course, if you do not want to use any more proxy, you can of course go back to tools and then options and then choose the network, configure your connection, and then just click no proxy, and then it will definitely return to its original IP or your real IP. This is all, and I hope you have learned something. Thank you.